Welcome back. So as you know, we've been working on the starter, and the bolts were stuck in it. So we believe we are ready for a new start. So we're about to start this hoe up and see what she does.
Let the fuel pump breathe for her a couple times.
Ready?
Sure.
Battery's ready. Full charge here. Here it goes. Almost. That's alright, it starts in the second turn.
He's coming. We're having some art inquiries right now. That's their capacity for y'all.